Imagine there was a single number hidden in ancient buildings, Renaissance art, and even the spirals of shells and galaxies. For over 2000 years, people have believed this number represents beauty and harmony. This number is called the golden ratio, also known as phi, and its value is approximately 1.618. My topic is about the history of the golden ratio, where it comes from, how it works, and why is it still important today. The golden ratio describes a special proportion. It happens when a line is divided into two parts in a very specific way. The ratio of the whole line to the larger part is the same as the ratio to the larger part to the smaller part. Mathematically, this can be written as like this. This proportion appears naturally in geometry, especially in shapes like pentagons and certain triangles. It's not just a number, it's a relationship that shows balance and between parts and the whole. The golden ratio has been known as for over 1,000 years. Around 300 BCE, the Greek mathematician Euclid studied in his famous book Elements. Later, during the Renaissance, interest in the ratio grew again. In 1509, Luca Baculid, Luca Biccioli, Baculi wrote a book called The Divine Proportion, which describes the golden ratio as a divine proportion. This book illustrates or created by Leonardo da Vinci, showing the connection between math and art. Some historians also suggest similar proportions may appear in the Greek Pyramid of Giza, although this idea is still debated today. The golden ratio also appears in the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Each number is the sum of the two before it. As the number grew larger, the ratio between consecutive numbers gets closer and closer to 1.618. The golden ratio is very important because it connects mathematics, art, nature, and design. Many people believe it appears in nature patterns such as shells, flowers, galaxies. It also influences architecture, painting, and modern design. However, it's also important to think critically because sometimes people exaggerate where the ratio appears. Today, the golden ratio is used in graphic design, photography, architecture, logos, and website layouts to create visual, pleasing compositions. It also connects to many things we learn in math, such as ratios, proportions, geometry, and sequence. Many cultures also use symmetry and proportion in their art and architecture, including Greek and Islamic designs. In daily life, the golden ratio influences the buildings we see, the designs we use, and even the layouts on social media. In conclusion, the golden ratio is more than just a number. It's a powerful idea that connects history, mathematics, art, nature, shows that math is not just a number, it helps shape the world around us.